What is up, everybody? This is my first video to my YouTube channel. This is going to be how to download and install OBS and the settings that I use. If you like the way this video is, like the quality of it, then the settings might work for you depending on what graphics card and processor, whatever processor you're using. So you want to go search bar, type in OBS. OBS, I already did it, but whatever. Go click that link, and then you come here. And whatever you're using, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, just click it and go through the install process. It's really easy. Just make sure you there's something where you can have add-ons. If you don't want that, just don't click it. It's already not clicked. You have to physically click it if you want it. Yeah. I have alright, so this is settings. I'm gonna tell you what I have. I have a 1070 Ti graphics card with a, I think, Ryzen 7 1700 processor, and these settings work great for me. So if you think they'd work good for you too, go ahead and watch this part of the video. I just kind of left this, I never changed anything on these. I'm doing this is not for streaming, this is for recording. I probably should say that. Alright, so an output, and I'm just gonna show my settings. I like that. That's not okay. So get a recording, and I keep this on standard. I put all my audio tracks in because I don't know much about it, so I just kind of click them all. If I kind of like the way this video comes out, then they'll still be clicked, but they'd be changed if I don't like it. So yeah, put this as the encoder. It's the newest one. If you have NVIDIA, if you have AMD, I don't really know what it will say, but you'll know it once you see it. Don't put anything for that. Keep this at that, the CQB. Put the CQ level at 1, keyframe interval at 2, preset max quality, profile high. Unclick look ahead, and click psycho visual tuning. I put the GPU at 0 and the max B frames at 1. And then I went over here and just put them all at max. Again, this is my first video. If I don't like what they're like, then it'll be different, and this video won't be out. It'll have different numbers there. After that, I'm gonna go to advanced. Actually, yeah, here. Let's actually go to video. Whatever you're using for your resolution, make sure it's the same for both base and output. Downscale filter, I like to put on Langsos. I don't know how to say that. And 60 FPS if you want that, if you can handle it, if your computer can handle it, and or 30, but I recommend 60. Alright, now let's go to advanced. I put process on above normal. I put all these settings here. No render, direct 3D 11. Just kept that. That should have already been normal. Actually, the only thing I changed was this to 0. But if you're not sure about if I changed anything else, because I can't really remember what I did, just go ahead, if you like these settings, click what I clicked. But I think they're all normal, default. Now just what you want to do is come down here and click apply. They're already applied, and I'm recording, so I can't do it. So I just go over here and click apply and okay, and that should be it. Hopefully this video helped you out, and my next video will be on Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So yeah, peace.